Jake here for American Muscle, and in this video we're taking a look at the SpeedForm Headlight Covers in Smoke fitting 2016 to 2023 Chargers. If you've got a late model Charger and you want to give it a more sinister, aggressive style without having to spend a lot of money or time to get there, these are the perfect solution for you. Featuring a super easy installation and a really low price, they're a great addition to pretty much any build. Headlight covers have been a staple of the muscle car world for decades now, and with good reason. They're inexpensive, they're easy to install and remove, and they make your car look just that much cooler. And these ones from SpeedForm are no exception. They feature a smoked color, this rather dark but still transparent gray that really enhances the aggressive appearance of the Charger's front fascia. It doesn't matter if you're rocking an SE or a Hellcat, these are still going to make for a pretty cool look. Now these ones are pretty dark, but they still let quite a bit of light through. They also feature a friction fit, so essentially a clip-on installation. So if you want to put them on for a car show or have them on during the day, you can get that cool look and then just simply pop them right off at night if you're driving through an area that's very dark. It makes it super easy to get the look you want without having to compromise on functionality. Now since these also cover up your headlights, they can help protect your lenses from debris out on the road and those harmful UV rays. So they're also going to help keep your headlights looking good for longer. These are made from thermoformed smoked acrylic, making them lightweight, strong, and very impact resistant. Makes them pretty much a perfect fit for this type of application. And like I mentioned earlier, these are a clip-on style fit, so there's no tape or bolts to mess with, making them super easy to install as well, but we'll talk more about that in a moment. Before we get to installation though, let's talk about the price. Coming in at right around the $100 mark, these are the least expensive option in the category if you want headlight covers. Now, as I say, I can get behind anything that makes an aesthetic or functional improvement for $100 or less. So for the price, if you like the style here, you really can't go wrong with it. Installation is going to get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter and should only take you about 15 minutes to complete, probably even a little bit less. Again, since these are a clip-on fitment, they're quite simple to do. Not much more I can say about it here in the studio, so with that, let's go ahead and hand the torch over to one of our AM customers who's going to walk you through the process.
This bottom part on the cover, I would say, hooks underneath the bottom of the headlight. No tools required. You just line it up, this bottom part. Push it in, and you'll kind of hear it snap in place. Now we'll do the other one. Very simple to put these in. Very secure too.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the SpeedForm Headlight Covers in Smoke, fitting 2016 to 2023 Chargers. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Charger, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.